Razer is doing their very own sound-related thing. These are their new audio glasses called Anzu eyewear, smart glasses with built-in speakers and blue light filtering, along with a second polarized lens. It's one of these things, your ears remain free, but you're still listening to your content. What do you think? Well, you're just very upset right now. I've never seen you like this.
No, I've been talking to Razer. I want to try them out.
Oh, okay. I misread you there. You're excited,
you
and you wear glasses.
Yes.
So
it might be fitting.
You could have these on, and just be completely ignoring what I'm saying to you while you listen to something else during the show.
I'm just like her. I'm just staring off into nothing.
We could be doing this broadcast, and you're listening to another broadcast, which is what you actually want to be listening to.
Yeah.
Anyway, they teamed up with a lens company. They're not the first to do this, by the way. Bose has done audio glasses. Amazon is selling its second generation of Echo frames. Anyway, there's a bunch that are out there. These ones are going to be available, or are available now, for around $200. The small size weighs 43 grams and the large one weighs 48 grams. The glasses include 35% blue light filtering, so that's supposed to be useful for computer work, staring at a computer screen all day. Comes with a lot of blue light in there. They're IPX water resistant, IPX4, so they'll be splash proof if you do want to go for a jog or something like that. 5 hours battery life, and additional polarized lenses are $30. But who did they team up with for lenses? I remember reading it. Was it in this article or the other one? It was some company. Oh, there we go. Lensable. So Razer partnered with Lensable for prescription lenses. You can get them from other sites if you want to, and it will fit them with prescription lenses. And Lensable is offering a 15% discount if you buy these Anzu glasses. So you could actually get them, Will, with your prescription in there.
Nice.
And yeah, I mean, we don't need it for the purpose of the video. Actually, that would probably complicate things. But let's say we really end up liking them. You hit up Lensable and throw your frames in there.
Sure.
What kind of prescription are we working with? What do you got going on there?
I don't want to say.
No?
It's pretty bad.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's like a lot of magnification going on?
Yeah. I'll just leave it at that then.
I got the contact lenses, but mostly it's the shape of my eyeballs is the problem.
Oh, okay.
It's not a ton of magnification. It's mostly fixing it's distortion. I got like they sort of like the shape of a football in there.
You got football?
Probably because I squint, I feel like I wrecked them over the years. I mean, I don't know if there's any science behind it.
They turned into a football?
That's right.
Oh, okay.
Couple of footballs over here. They still work. I'll take it. I still score goals in the men's league, all right?
Oh, okay.
So you better stop it over there, Will. That's right. I got no problem seeing top corner. All right, that's a hockey thing.
All right.
Take it easy over there.